Here's how to create an egg peeling effect in Blender. We will start with the eggshell. We will use this time the Blender default cube. Select the cube, then switch to edit mode. Subdivide it 3 times, use the to sphere transform, and scale it along the y-axis. Next, go to particle properties, add a particle system, and under source, set distribution to grid. Enable invert grid. Raise the resolution to 50 and increase randomness. Under rotation, set randomness and randomize phase to 1 for natural variation. In the render section, set render as to none, and in field weights, set gravity to 0. Add a force field to the scene with a strength of 50. When you press play, nothing will happen yet. This is normal. To explode the shell, add an Explode Modifier, uncheck Dead, and enable Cut Edges. Press play again to watch it peel apart. To add the inner egg, duplicate the shell, scale it down slightly, and don't forget to remove all modifiers. If you want the peel to disappear, uncheck Alive in the Explode modifier for a clean vanish. You can also re-enable Alive and disable Cut Edges to experiment with different breakup styles. Use this trick for food animations, sci-fi disintegration, or artistic simulations. Enjoy!